How to install Epic Game Store on iOS. I'm going to tell you how to install the Epic Game Store on iOS. As of now, you still can't directly download the full Epic Game Store app from the App Store, like you would on Android. Apple's ecosystem doesn't allow third-party app stores yet in most regions. However, with the recent EU Digital Market Act, Epic confirmed it's launching the Epic Game Store on iOS, but only in the EU for now. If you're outside the EU, you'll have to wait for further regional rollout or Apple policy changes. If you're in the EU and eligible, you'll eventually see the Epic Game Store available through alternative app marketplace options. Once it goes live, you'll download it via browser or a direct link from Epic's official website. Follow the prompts to allow installation, then approve it in your iPhone settings. Once installed, you'll be able to browse, download, and manage supported Epic titles like Fortnite.